Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel in space. On 2nd April 1984, he went into space with 2 Soviet cosmonauts in a spacecraft called Soyuz T-11. Dr. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. She was born in 1961 in Karnal, Haryana. Her first space mission as part of a 6-member crew of Columbia STS-87 was in space for 16 days. In January 2003, she went into space for a second time. But this was to be her last flight. On 1st February 2003, at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Space Shuttle Columbia STS-107 exploded on re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. All the 6 astronauts on board were killed. Sunita Williams went aboard Space Shuttle Discovery on 10th December 2006. She returned to Earth in June 2007 after spending 195 days in space. Wasn't it interesting to know how we began our foray into space?